What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get all sources in Cydia. Click on Cydia. The reason I'm doing this is because for my next video, it should be out in the next 1 to 2 days. You're going to need all your sources because I'm doing a Cydia list update. Some new Cydia apps, and yeah, so it's gonna be an update for the list that I already have. If you haven't seen my Cydia list, link is in the description. No, hold on. No, link is in the description. I think it's over there. Alright, so once you've opened Cydia, you're gonna go to sections. Then you're gonna scroll down to R repositories. Wow. Okay. Then you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna go to S, and it should be the last one in the S section. It's called StephWiz. Tap that. Press install. Confirm. Let that load. It's OK. If any errors pop up, just press OK. Return to Cydia. We're going to go back to repositories. Now you're going to scroll up, all the way up. Now there's a new repository. It's all the way at the top. It's the first one. It's all sources. Click on that. Install that. Confirm. And now it's going to download every source possible. This is going to take a while, so just let it download. Yeah, this should get you all the sources, and you're going to have much more options of Cydia apps and new ones as well. So yeah, I'm going to speed this up just because this is going to take a while. Okay, so now we're done, finally finished. You're going to go back to sections or whatever. You have many more sections now, as you can see. And now, if you're searching for something, everything that you search should come up if you've been having trouble with that. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get all sources on your iPod Touch or iPhone. I'm not going to have a video tomorrow because it's Thanksgiving. I want to wish everyone a happy Turkey Day tomorrow. Yeah. And by the way, recently I decided to show you guys some videos. Every video I make, I'm going to have a link in the description for a must-see video or a video that I've recently seen that I think is pretty awesome or whatever, that I would recommend to you guys. Could be random, could be related to iPhones or whatever. So, or iPod Touches. yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving.